teacher. Don't worry, I got you. There you are. There.
Say hi, everyone.
Huh?
God, isn't she gorgeous?
How can he tell it's a she?
Oh.
Such a good little bougie woogie.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Just to be clear, that's a pumpkin, right?
Well, I mean, she has a little jaundice, but I think she'll be okay.
Yes, you will.
I think I'll call you Bronwyn.
Little buddy, we need you back on planet Earth while it's still here, okay?
Right you are, mammal.
Who wants to save the world from the fiery asteroid? You do.
Okay, mammals, let's stop here for the night.
Stop. What about the whole end of the world collision thing?
Oh, asteroid's still a day off. And, like my grandfather used to say,
Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Purple sky at night, who moved my foot cream? I need my foot cream.
Grampy was a confused and angry weasel.
You are so funny, Jay.
Stop. You're funny. Take it easy, my brother from a tiger mother.
Hasta mañana, J-Man.
What was that?
What was what? Oh, that. It's a cool way to peace out. Julian taught it to me.
Well, I'm glad the apocalypse is bringing you together.
He's a good kid, Manny. I like his philosophy. Give him a chance. Bond with him.
So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up,
Bonding! That's a good idea.
Oh, right. Gotcha.
You take Julian. I got an idea for Peaches.
Hey, bro kid.
Oh, hey, bro, Dad. You here to rock out? Ba-boom, 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 boom, boom.
Okay, instead of that, how about a game before bedtime?
No way. You want to play a game with me? Wow. What is honored times 1,000? No, times 1,000,000. Because whatever that equals is how honored I am.
So, is that a yes?
Yes, that's a yes. It's the most yes. It's like yes with a bunch of S's, so it's like yes.
Great. I'll see you on the ice. Happy?
Oh, boy.
So, do you think you're ready to go out roaming on your own?
I won't be alone. I'll have Julian.
Sure. But with asteroids flying, no home to speak of, and absolutely no support system, do you think you'll be ready for this?
I'm a little baby.
Imagine you're in the woods looking for food and your baby gets sick. What do you do? No! Jiggling makes her feel worse. Oh no, now your older toddler has a skinned knee and a stuffy nose.
Mommy, hold me.
Now your babies are crying, you have no food, and then you come face to face with a rabid beast.
I am a rabid beast who gives rabies to babies.
And there's an arsonist on the loose. How are you gonna handle all this without our help?
Peaches out.
Well, that's just the easy stuff. There's a lot more we still need to cover.
Baby made a poopy. I'm a method actor, so I will need to be changed.